Hello security learners, welcome back to our channel Cybersecurity Hub. In this video we are going to dive into domain 6 of the CCSK version 5 exam, that is security monitoring. It is an essential area for ensuring visibility, control and response in the cloud. We will explore how cloud monitoring works, go beyond traditional logs and even look at how AI is shaping the future of the cloud security. So, without further delay, please tune in to this video and watch this till the end. By end of this video, you will be able to learn, identify unique security monitoring challenges in the cloud environments, describe the importance of cloud telemetry sources in monitoring cloud environments, analyze collection architecture for security telemetry and cloud environments, recognize monitoring and alerting as foundational components of the cloud security, implement detection paths for comprehensive security monitoring. Section 6.1. Let's dive into the first section of this video, that is cloud monitoring. Let's start with the basics, that is cloud monitoring. In the cloud, monitoring goes beyond checking server health. It involves tracking activities, changes and anomalies across the entire cloud stack, from compute to storage to identify the systems. Key aspects of the cloud monitoring includes activity logging that tracks who did what and when, performance metrics like CPU usage, network throughput, memory, etc. Configuration changes, monitoring infrastructure as code and cloud control plane modification. Security events, alert triggered by suspicious or known bad behaviors. Cloud native tools like AWS CloudWatch, Azure Monitor and Google Cloud Operations Suite provide integrated monitoring capabilities. Next, jump into the section 6.2, Beyond Logs, Posture Management. Now, let's go beyond basic log files. Welcome to Cloud Security Posture Management or CSPM. Posture management is about identifying misconfigurations, compliance violations, and drift in real time across your cloud infrastructure. CSPM tools do things like this: continuously assess cloud resources against security policies, detect non-compliant resources like open storage buckets, provide remediation recommendations, sometimes automated. So, instead of just reacting to events, CSPM helps prevent misconfigurations before they are exploited. Let's now dive into the section 6.3, that is cloud telemetry sources. So, where does all this monitoring data comes from? Let's talk about telemetry sources. Common telemetry sources includes cloud provider logs, that is AWS CloudTrail, Azure Activity Logs and GCP Audit Logs. Network flow logs such as VPC flow logs or NSG flow logs help track traffic between services. Application logs generated by workloads and applications. Endpoint detection tools, especially important in the hybrid and containerized environments. Identity logs track login attempts, MFA events and permission changes. Together, these sources provide a 360 view of what is happening in your environment. In the next section, 6.4, we will be discussing about collection architectures. Once we have the telemetry, how do we collect it and analyze effectively? There are three main architectures for collecting cloud security data. First, agent-based. Software installed on virtual machines or containers. Good for deep visibility but harder to scale. Second, agentless or API based. Uses cloud provider APIs to pull logs and metrics. Easier to manage, especially in the serverless environments. Third, hybrid approaches. Combine both agent-based and agentless for full coverage. Data is typically sent to a SIEM or security information and event management tool, or SOAR, that is security orchestration, automation and response tool, for further analysis and response. In the next section, 6.5, we will discuss one of the important topic, that is AI for security monitoring. Finally, let's talk about how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing security monitoring. Cloud environments are massive and dynamic, and humans can't catch everything. AI and ML help by doing following. Anomaly detection. Identify behaviors that deviate from the norm. Behavioral analytics, that is learning from user and system patterns to flag abnormal actions. Alert prioritization. Reducing false positives by scoring threats. Automated response. Triggering actions when suspicious activity is detected. Think of AI as your always-on security analyst, helping make sense of millions of events per day. Finally, let us recap what we have learned so far in this video. In this domain, you learned about cloud monitoring fundamentals, the importance of posture management, telemetry sources, data collection architecture, and the growing role of AI in cloud security. This domain is not just critical for the exam, it is essential knowledge for any modern cloud security practitioner. Please like this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Please tune into our channel for more CCSK videos which are coming up. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the Domain 7 which is coming up shortly. Until next time, keep learning, stay secure, and keep owning the cloud. Bye.